How to remove followers all at once on Instagram easily. Open Instagram application and make sure to sign into your account. Go to profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. So if you wish to remove followers all at once, you have to go to profile and tap on three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. On the settings and activity page, scroll all the way down and under more information and support, tap on help. Choose report a problem and here select remove problem or report problem without checking. And here it has been asked, would you like to include complete logs and diagnostic? You can tap on include and continue button and you can briefly explain what actually happened or what's not working. Here you can easily write the reason of your issue or why you want to report a problem. You can write here the reason to remove followers all at once on Instagram. So you can write here, I have too much following. Please remove them for me. And here you can also upload the screenshot of the issue that you want to remove followers all at once due to too much following, and tap on send button at the top right corner. And once you have submitted the report, you can easily fix or remove followers all at once on Instagram once the report has been approved by Instagram. So that's how we remove followers all at once on Instagram. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.